Hey, Ryan.
Wow.
Hey, what do you have on your hand?
It's real for the helicopter. Look, behind you.
Okay, where is the copter? Wow, it's a new helicopter. It's a baby helicopter.
No, it's big and strong.
Strong?
Yes, it's big.
Do you know how to ride it? How to fly it?
Look, I show you.
Okay.
Button, snake can
Who's the button? Where's the button?
this. Button
Okay.
can fly.
If you press,
Look.
if you press, okay. Hey, it's not working.
I look. Oh.
Wow, nice flying. It's flying. Hey, Ryan, it's falling down. It's flying. Wow. Good job.
Landing.
Hey, once more time.
Yeah.
Wow, it's flying. Wow. Great job.
Okay.
Hey, it's flying.
What? Hey. Yes.
It's getting closer. Ryan, be careful. Oh, stop it. Ryan, stop it. Hey.
Are you stopping right now? Oh.
Ryan, stop it. Ryan's flying. Stop it.
I stopped the helicopter. One more time.
It's so dangerous, Ryan. It's so dangerous.
Daddy, one more time.
Okay. But you should be careful.
Flying so much.
Oh, I'm getting closer to the helicopter. It's so nice. They're pretty good. Wow. It's falling down. Wow, stop it. Ryan. Wow, it's so dangerous. I'm so much scared of your helicopter.
Daddy,
Yeah?
it's just a helicopter. Don't worry, I saved you.
Okay.
Hmm?
Hey, no. You have to place it on the middle of the room. No, it's the middle. And the middle. Here is the middle. This place. Yeah. Okay. Hey, Ryan, I have a call. I have to stop it now.
Huh?
Wait.